All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, new coins, staking the coins, mining the coins, using credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, BlockFi credit card, all kinds of good things. Right now, we're bringing you an extra video today because Rainbow token is up between 80 to 100% in the last 24 hours. And that's right, we like to bring you different tokens and coins and cryptocurrencies that are bopping and moving and stuff. So I thought this was pretty important. You're going to see up 80 to 100%, depending on which minute you look at it, Rainbow token cryptocurrency. Coming to that in a second. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. What we do here is we talk about cryptocurrency, helping people learn about cryptocurrency, staking the coin, mining the coin, all kinds of different things. Our vision is to help every single person on the planet get some cryptocurrency. We also try to find coins that are moving up. Different things, basically hamster coin we just talked about the other day, that was moving up, all kinds of things. Today, Rainbow token. Let's go ahead and jump on over to Rainbow cryptocurrency. All right, over here at Coin Market, number 1155 Rainbow token. There's 8 of these zeros in here. Take a look in the last 24 hours. In this 24 hours, it's up 90%. In the last week, it's 13%, but in the last 24 hours, this thing is up 90%. Take a look at the top here. Trending cryptocurrencies, Rainbow. It says 100% right here. It's up 100%, so it depends on when you're looking. So over here, here's our chart. Take a look at the mountain going up. I mean, here it is. I mean, I know there's 8 zeros in between there, and it's going, and it's going, and it's consistent and everything, and all of a sudden, shwam! Take a look at that. So this token is up, Rainbow token cryptocurrency. We're going to jump over to their website and check out some more different things. Right now, the circulation of this coin is already at 86%. So 86% of the coin in circulation is already in circulation. Let me see, it's up 90%. So a lot of good things here. Jumping over to its website, Rainbow is fun. Rainbow is bullish. It's got 7 colors and 7 features. Rainbow is rewarding. We're at https rainbowtoken.finance. So you're taking a look here. It's talking about the coins that it burned, tailor-made crypto features. Rainbow was designed by experienced programmers, crypto investors, and marketers that have experience in the BSC DeFi space. Read below to get simple overview of 7 protocols that compose of our tokenomics. So, a lot of good things here. Hyperdeflation, token buyback. We got auto grow liquidity, market outreach, lucky dip. I like the lucky dip here. It says, what does that say here? The lucky dip. Lucky dip, the contract grows a portion of the token over time. With each Rainbow buy, you'll have a chance to win the entire prize pool. Oh my God. Charity. Investing in Rainbow is investing in the world. A cut of each transaction is put towards a green future for us and this planet. Autonomous yield. With each transaction, every person holding Rainbow will receive interest automatically straight into their wallet. So a lot of good things on this one. Token buyback. Every time there is a sell, the contract will automatically purchase back tokens, which will increase the price and buy pressure. So pretty neat here. I wanted to go over and jump over to this. So over here at the Rainbow token Twitter account, says right here, we just have reached 20,000 holders. So knowing about the AMP token that we talk about all the time. Remember how 3 months ago there was like 24,000 holders, and now there's like 45,000 holders. So this Rainbow token, it's got 20,000 holders, seems to be at the beginning of things. You usually want to get into things at the beginning of things. So again, we're at the Twitter here, 20,000 holders of the Rainbow token. That's pretty awesome. Next thing, where can you actually buy the Rainbow token? So I'm over here at CoinGecko. You can buy and sell it. Take a look. There's that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros and a 74.95. So we always talk about all these zeros, and people want to crush the zeros. This token, again, is up between 80% and 100% in the last 24 hours. So where can you buy it? CoinGecko. Definitely can head over to CoinGecko to get yourself some Rainbow token cryptocurrency. says over here, Coin Market, Rainbow is a hyper deflationary DeFi token setting on the Binance Smart Chain with combines of 7 features into a single crypto asset. It is a project launched on the 18th of August of this year. So Rainbow became existence in August, September, October. Boy, we're really, really early in this. And is developing and maintaining by a team in the UK. It aims to develop a centralized token launchpad services that specialize in user-friendly flexibility and low fees. What are tokenomics of Rainbow? Rainbow takes 7 colors and assigns each of them a special protocol that is built into tokenomics of a smart contract. The red is the burn. The orange, we're going to go through this and come back. The orange is the buyback. The yellow is the reflection. The green is charity. Blue is liquidity. Indonesia is development. And violet is the giveaway. So with that, the red protocol is burning the protocol, whereas part of each transaction is immediately burned straight to the dead address. All right. The buybacks, the orange category. The orange protocol is the buyback protocol, which collects BNB inside of the contract that then is used to automatically to buy back tokens after each and every sale. Pretty interesting. Reflection, yellow is the reflection. Yellow protocol is autonomous reflection that works by reflecting a portion of each transaction back to every single holder based on the percentage of the total supply that they own. Interesting. Green, charity. The green protocol takes a portion of every transaction and uses it to donate to the community voted charities. Okay, so that's kind of neat. So there's going to be charities that are voted on, and then a portion of the money will go to those charities. The charities process is voted in by the community, and so that it can effectively give back to the multiple different areas of needs, such as animal welfare, poverty, ecosystem preservation, and healthcare. So, hey, that's kind of awesome. Blue is liquidity. The blue protocol is dedicated to automatically growing the size of the liquidity pool. The larger the liquidity means that in the long run, the token will be more effectively retained in its value. Indonesia development, the protocol is cut that is taken for the development team to cover business and marketing expenses. And violet is the giveaway. The violet protocol is an automatic built-in giveaway system which rewards a random transaction recipient with the amount of tokens. Hey, isn't that neat? You'll be doing your thing and all of a sudden, bam, look at my wallet. Let's do that again. You'll be looking like, bam, look at my wallet. Could you imagine that? All of a sudden you get a give back from the Rainbow token cryptocurrency. Pretty awesome. So digging into this Rainbow, 80 to 100% up in the last 24 hours. You probably want to put this on your things that you're watching. You know, do you want to get in right now? Do you want to wait? Leave your comments in the bottom. I'm just bringing this out because, again, if this coin just been out a few months ago, this is something as a community all of us want to pay attention to. It's got 20,000 holders. It's got 20,000 holders, so that's pretty awesome too. All right, again, back over here at their website at the top, you got home, tokenomics, charity, contract, white pages. Obviously, you can click this, and you're going to have your whole white pages of the Rainbow that you can go through. We're not going to go through this one in detail today. I'll probably come back with another video a little bit more in detail. Today is just a skimming the surface, letting you guys all know that this token cryptocurrency is going crazy. Take a look and make sure you pay attention to it. Bitfrost is new. What is Bitfrost? Bitfrost, I guess it talks about its different things, so that's kind of neat right there. All right, real quick, so this Rainbow token, cryptocurrency, bringing it to everybody a little bit ahead of probably everything. So I may be the first person talking about this. That's okay, because we like to be ahead of things. But Tom Brady is talking about cryptocurrency too. So I do want to do a little feature here, 30 seconds. So Tom's getting into something. No, it's not football. You know what? I don't want to steal the thunder. Let's go ahead and just play it.
Can I talk to you about something?
We talked about it. I got another 10 years left.
Not that. This is big. What do you think?
I'm in. Let's call everyone. Hey! Yeah, I'm in!
Yeah, sounds good. I'm in. I'm in.
I'm in. I'm in.
This guy. First, even if you wanted to come back, we wouldn't take you.
Yes, you would. Yeah, we would.
You're right, we would. What's up?
I'm getting into crypto. With FTX. You in?
I believe I'm in, but still hate you.
Understood.
Is he in?
Yep.
Did he say he hates you?
He did.
I get it.
All right, so why do I go over this with Tom Brady? Here's the thing. I mean, he's won more Super Bowls than anybody on the planet. He's still currently playing, and he's getting into cryptocurrency. every Sunday in all the different areas, St. Louis, Texas, Seattle, all the different markets that football is in. This is being played every single Sunday and every single Monday Night Football. Why is that important? Because more and more people are going to hear about cryptocurrency. The thing of it is if you could have got into Bitcoin way, way, way back when, if you only knew that Bitcoin was going to do what it did, wouldn't you like to do that? Well, the thing of it is as more celebrities and more football players and more basketball, that Stephen Curry, he's actually also working with Tom Brady over there with the same cryptocurrency. And same thing with the running back for the Green Bay Packers, Aaron Jones. He's actually working with FTX. So you got all these celebrities that are getting involved. Guess what? It's going to make the mainstream is going to let everybody know about this. And all of a sudden, cryptocurrency as itself is going to keep going up and up and up. Now remember, all our information is for educational purposes only. But this rainbow cryptocurrency, this rainbow token, definitely put it on your radar. Because if it's going up 100% or 80% in 24 hours, what is it going to do in the next 7 days, 24 days, whatever? So bringing that to you. And then one last thing over here, talking about Tom Brady. It's a marathon. Tom Brady vows to be a cryptocurrency investor for a long time despite the price crashes. The NFL star explains adding red laser eyes to Twitter profile while you vote of confidence in Bitcoin. So the thing about it is Tom Brady has vowed to be a cryptocurrency investor for the long time for months and months to come. The NFL quarterback insists on investing in digital currency. It's definitely a marathon. He also took part in the CoinDesk Census virtual conference on Thursday night. So again, just bringing more celebrities to the table. Pretty awesome. AMP Token is making things happen. Flexa Network's making things happen. Shiba Inu is making things happen. Today, Rainbow Token, Rainbow Cryptocurrency. So all kinds of good things here from Frank's Crypto Corner. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Go ahead and click right here to see our most recent videos. Today was a special one. We already did our 1 o'clock one. I saw this. I wanted to bring this to you every single day, Monday through Friday. We're bringing you a video at 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Saturdays and Sundays, we bring you something between 3 and 4. Sometimes there's something special, and we bring a second video a day. Here you go. So everybody have a great day. See you tomorrow at 1.